Mercedes had to pay $56,000 to Nathan because his 2023 S580 spent over 82 days at the dealership, and the blind spot assist, the collision detection, and the cruise control still kept failing. They even damaged his car while it was in their shop. With our help, he got paid and he still kept his car. Here's exactly how we did this and how you could also get the same result. The Mercedes-Benz S-Class has been the gold standard for luxury sedans for over 50 years. It's the car that introduced the world to airbags, crumple zones, and adaptive cruise control. Nathan leased his 2023 S580 brand new in California at over $1,700 a month. The S-Class isn't just a car, it's a statement that you've made it. And at that price, every single feature better work. But within months, that statement turned into an embarrassment. The safety systems on Nathan's S580 started failing. Blind spot assist went out. The pedestrian detection system stopped working. Auto parking wouldn't calibrate. He brought it to the dealer and they kept it for 82 days, nearly 3 months. And while it was sitting in their shop, they actually damaged his bumper, his rear panel, and his trim. They broke his car while trying to fix his car. When he finally got it back, they said everything was recalibrated and no further action was necessary. But months later, the blind spot assist failed again on his 2023 S580. The Distronic cruise control malfunctioned. Active brake assist showed limited on the dash. Same systems, same vehicle. So he brought it back. This time the repair order said, blind spot assist and other related features works as designed at this time. Here's what that really means. At this time is doing all the work in that sentence. These same safety systems already failed once and sat in the shop for 82 days. Now they failed again, and the best the dealer can write is works as designed at this time. That's not a fix, that's a disclaimer. They're telling you it passed one test on one day and hoping you don't come back. Meanwhile, Nathan ran a consulting business and his S580 was part of the image. For nearly 3 months, he was driving a loaner while paying over $1,700 a month on a car he couldn't use. And when the same safety systems failed again after he got it back, that image turned into a joke. A $100,000 Mercedes that couldn't tell him if someone was in his blind spot. That's not luxury, that's liability. Here's a fact that catches a lot of drivers off guard about California's lemon law. It doesn't just cover vehicles you purchased. Leased vehicles qualify too. If you're leasing a car in California and the manufacturer can't fix a defect after a reasonable number of attempts, you have the same rights as someone who bought it outright. A lot of people assume that because they don't own the car, they don't have a claim. That's not true. Nathan leased his 2023 Mercedes S580, and he was still entitled to compensation under the lemon law. When your vehicle spends more time at the dealership than in your driveway, that's a lemon. When Nathan reached out to us, we reviewed his repair records, built his lemon law case, and helped him file a claim against Mercedes. The result? A cash settlement of $65,000. And he got to keep his S580 without it being deemed a lemon or the remain warranty being voided. The best part is he didn't pay anything out of pocket. All he gave us in return was a 5-star review. Under California Civil Code Section 1794D, the manufacturer, not you, must pay for your attorney fees. That's how we have helped thousands of California drivers just like you get their money back without paying a penny. If you think your car's a lemon, give us a call right now or tap the link in our bio to use our free compensation calculator and find out how much money we could get for you in just a few seconds.